If your cable bill keeps getting more expensive every month, but you only watch a handful of the channels you're paying for, this video might change the way you think about your TV setup. But don't cancel cable just yet. Over the next few minutes, I'll explain what IPTV is, what equipment you need, and whether it could be a good fit for your household. It's not nearly as complicated as it sounds. In fact, if you already know how to open Netflix or YouTube on a Firestick, you already have the basic skills needed to use IPTV. IPTV is simply television delivered through an internet connection. Traditional cable TV uses dedicated cable lines. Satellite TV requires a dish to receive its signal. IPTV uses your home internet connection to deliver television programming to a Firestick, smart TV, or another compatible device. But there's one thing we need to make clear right away. A Firestick does not automatically come with IPTV channels. It's simply the device that runs the player. You'll also need a compatible IPTV player and a television service that provides the programming and your login credentials. Think of your Firestick as a small computer, the player as your TV guide, and the IPTV service as the provider that delivers programming to the player. So, why are more people starting to explore IPTV? The first reason is flexibility. Depending on the provider's licensed content and available features, you may get access to live television, movies, TV shows, an electronic program guide, and catch-up programming for selected channels. The second reason is simpler equipment. You may not need to rent a large cable box from a traditional television company. A compatible Firestick or smart TV may be all you need to run the player. The third reason is the ability to choose a plan based on what you actually watch. But remember, IPTV does not mean every channel and show is automatically free. Different providers have different channel lineups, regional restrictions, device limits, and terms of service. Before subscribing, always confirm that the programming you actually watch is included. Here's what I recommend. Pull out your most recent cable bill and write down the channels you genuinely watch every week. Don't focus on how many channels are included in your package. Focus on how many you actually use. Next, decide whether you need local news, specific sports coverage, closed captions, catch-up features, or simultaneous streaming on 2 TVs. Once you've answered those questions, you'll have a much better idea of whether IPTV fits your needs. If you'd like help reviewing your setup, I've added a device compatibility check and IPTV consultation link in the video description and pinned comment. Click the link and tell our team which device you use, where you're located, and what types of programming matter most to you. We can walk you through the available authorized options, device requirements, and setup process, so you can understand everything before making a decision. Always choose a provider that is transparent about its content rights and terms of service. And don't commit to a long-term subscription just because an ad promises an unbelievable number of channels. If this video helped you understand IPTV, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.